What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Toki from the top of the world, Anchorage, Alaska. What an amazing ice fishing season so far, guys. Today I got a product with me. This is an Otter ice anchor tool to help you drill your anchor in with ease, guys. I finally got the chance to take this out the other day to Big Lake and used it with my DeWalt. And man, it made my job so easy doing it, guys. I had a really bad experience last year with my buddy CJ. Big shout out to CJ for also gifting me this, because we went out to a lake that was about 2 hours away from here, and it was super windy, and we didn't have one of these. When we tried to use our hand to put some anchor down, it was really hard. Thank God we were able to like drop 2 anchor in and then hail the tent in. But yeah, with that experience, we learned this year to just pick one of these up. You guys can find these at most of your local sporting goods stores or a shop that sells ice fishing gear. They're not too expensive. This is how much they have it on the Otter website. But yeah, I highly recommend you guys to have one of these. You don't have to have this specific one, but I do recommend this one because it has a bottom piece down here that actually holds your anchor in, and it's not wobbly. So when you go down, you go it just goes straight down, where the other one doesn't have it, so it kind of wobble. But if that $5 or $10 makes a difference to you, then yeah, you could just buy the other one. But I highly recommend you guys to have this with you guys when you guys are out there ice fishing, because you will never know when you're gonna need it. The other day I took my son out ice fishing, and man, the wind was blowing, and that was the day I didn't bring the setup. Alright guys, if you guys like this product review, make sure to check out my YouTube channel if you guys are not subscribed yet. If you guys are a subscriber, please make sure to like, comment, and share this video. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff that I've been using ice fishing in Alaska, guys. Happy fishing.